Hi guys, I'm Pep from Japan. Today I am the Gyoza. Gyoza is Chinese food, but Japanese people really like it, so I tried it. Okay, let's enjoy cooking.
First, make the gyoza skin base. Put 60 grams of strong flour and 60 grams of cake flour in a bowl and mix them. Add 6 tablespoons of boiling water to it and mix them. Sprinkle strong flour on the table and knead the dough. Knead it for about 5 minutes. When the surface of the dough is smooth, cover it with plastic wrap and let it rest for 30 minutes. Prepare the ingredient while the dough is resting. Chop 100 grams of cabbage. Next, chop 50 grams of chives. Add a minced pork to the bowl. Sprinkle with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and knead the meat with a spatula. Add cabbage. Add chives. Add grated garlic and grated ginger. Next, add 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce and 2 teaspoons of sesame oil and mix them with a spatula. Preparation of the ingredient is completed. Form gyoza skins, resting for 30 minutes. First, roll out the dough into long stripes. Cut the dough into 30 equal parts. Roll out the dough into a thin circle. It's okay if it doesn't form a perfect circle. Make 20 seeds in total. The gyoza skin are completed. Next, gyoza skin wraps the ingredients. Place the ingredient on top of the skin. Wet the edge of the skin with water. Hold the skin in half and wrap it while making pleats. Finally, fry the gyoza. Put oil in the frying pan and heat it. Place the gyoza in the frying pan with the hold facing up. When the bottom of the gyoza is browned, add 15 ml of the water and cover with a lid. Steam for 5 minutes. Remove the lid, turn the heat to high, and remove the moisture in the frying pan. Finally, transfer the gyoza to the plate. Gyoza made by Japanese have been completed. Today I made gyoza, Chinese gyoza are boiled and eaten, but Japanese gyoza are fried. If you dip gyoza in a mixture of soy sauce and vinegar, you can eat it more deliciously. It's very delicious, so please try making it.
Thank you for viewing Hawa Gyoza. Don't you think it looks so yummy? Please try it. If you enjoyed this video, please check my YouTube channel and subscribe button. I'm looking for your comments.